In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your 1688 app. Keeping your app up to date ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements, which means smoother browsing, more reliable messaging with suppliers, and fewer crashes. Start by opening the 1688 app on your device. From the home screen, head to the section labeled My or Profile. This is typically located along the bottom menu and takes you to your personal dashboard, where you can manage your account and app preferences. Next, tap Settings. You'll recognize it by the small gear icon. Settings is where 1688 keeps all system-related options, and it's the quickest way to reach the update controls. Inside Settings, look for an option such as Check for Updates, or a page labeled About or Version Info. Different versions of the app may group these items slightly differently, and labels can vary by language, but they all lead to the same place: information about your current app version and the option to search for a newer one. Tap Check for Update. The app will quickly scan to see if a newer version is available. This usually takes just a few moments. For the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a bit of battery life so the process isn't interrupted. If a new version appears, choose to download and install it. You may see a progress bar during the download. Keep the app open and avoid switching away while it updates to prevent any hiccups. Depending on your device, you might be asked to confirm the installation. Once the installation finishes, the app may restart automatically, bringing you back to the main screen. If the app reports that you're already on the latest version, you're all set. No further action is needed. If you'd like to double check after an update, you can return to the About or Version Info page to see the current version number reflected there. You might also see release notes describing what's new, which can help you understand recent changes and where to find new features. That's the entire process. Open the app, go to My or Profile, enter Settings, find the Update section, check for updates, and install if one is available. It's a small habit that pays off with better performance and security. Consider repeating this check from time to time so you always stay current. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother 1688 experience with your freshly updated app.